You've just created a knowledge item, or you've found an existing one that you think should be easily visible for your users because it contains relevant information. As a standard, knowledge items are kept in the knowledge base. You can change the status of a knowledge item to a news item by ticking on News Item. This means that it can now be published in the Operators section and the self-service portal. You must make a news item available in a certain time span, and in this case, we want to publish it for a week. Save it. Go to the self-service portal. Update. Now you can see the news item. Click on it and read it, getting informed on the matter at hand.